Welcome to this week's cool new app series. Let's just jump right into it. So this one is for all those who are asking me for a good free VPN app, and well, guess what, we finally have one. ProtonMail just launched ProtonVPN app for Android, and this could be one of the best free VPN app out there. What makes this interesting is there is no limit for bandwidth, and ProtonMail says they will never use VPN service to sell your browsing data to other companies. For all those who are wondering how do they pay for their server, which you should think by the way, this app relies on freemium model, that is part of their service is free and rest you have to pay. I have been using the free version for quite a while now, and while it works for most of the free services like Spotify, Pandora, HBO Now, etc. However, just like most of the free VPN service, it doesn't work for Netflix. Everybody who joins the gym in New Year, raise your hands. So ManFit is a new workout app for people who wants to exercise but don't have enough time to hit the gym, or let's just say they don't have the workout equipments at home. Like every other fitness app, each exercise program is broken by targeted body parts like chest, biceps, abs, thighs, etc. So you can pick and choose which area you would like to work on. Overall, the app is simple and help you exercise without any equipments right at your home. But I'm really impressed by the release time, not sure if it's intentional though. Last month, Amazon added a new Skills to It Echo series, with which you can now choose to wake up with your music from your preferred streaming services simply by saying, Alexa, wake me up with pop music at 5 AM in the morning. Sounds cool? Well, with SpotOn alarm clock, you can get exactly that feature on any Android. You can use any YouTube tracks or playlist as your alarm notification. You can even set up different songs each day. Overall, if you find it hard to get out of your bed, this simple application can wake you up with your favorite music. Kek Browser is that different compared to other browsers out there. The way this works is, once you search for something, it takes you to the first result of Google, because this is usually what we care about, and if that's not what you're looking for, then you can swipe right until you reach the result you want. Kind of like how you do with Tinder. Though if you notice, this browser is preloading the pages before you even open them. And yes, like every other browser, the Kek browser also comes with history and incognito mode. Thrive is an app by Ariana Huffington, the co-founder of Huffington Post, and this is how she likes to put it. If smartphone is a new cigarette, then Thrive is kind of a nicotine patch. Once you set up this app, it blocks all the other application, notification, calls, text, except what you have whitelisted. And once the Thrive mode is set, you cannot access any app drawer. Basically, you're locked out of your phone. And if somebody calls you, Thrive will automatically send a text saying that you are busy. Time to get on your work. This next application helps you to get around your phone with gesture like iPhone X. By default, gesture control lets you swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home page. And if you swipe up and hold it there, then it will open the recent application. Though unlike Nova Launcher gesture, it works from any part of the system. Similarly, you can swipe horizontal towards the left along with the same bottom screen area to activate the Android back function. And if you hold it, then it will open the split view. And to open notification and quick settings, you can do the same thing from the right. Though as expected, it takes a little bit time to get used to it. The best part about this application is in gesture control setting, you can change what action any gesture perform. You can even configure the additional gesture. Well, that's all for now. Go hit the like button if you enjoy this app series, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Maybe click on the notification, why not? It's Mrinal signing off, and I will see you in the next one.